This is like the fourth time I've recorded this today. So today I'm going to be explaining. Before I do that, let me introduce our team. This is Gavin, the main scripter. Say hi, Gavin.
Hello.
Okay, and I'm Ryan, the video recorder. I test things out and I work a little code, I have to say. And our other teammate, Roger Jake, is our milestone maker. So, yeah. So before we get into it, let me explain the basics of this game. It's a really classical game and it's called Catch the Fruit. Basically, you control keys, either left or right, to catch fruits, and there's going to be a basket that you control with left or right. You can't control the fruits, they spawn randomly, but they always fall down at the same height. So if you catch them and they touch the bottom of your basket, you get score. And the goal is to get, hold on, let me find that. The goal is to get 100 score. And yeah, that's it. So we made a counter over here. This is the counter code. This is Tion code. Gavin, would you like to explain the speed part where it gets faster and faster?
Okay, there's just six main loops. So each loop has a constant speed. Okay, that's all. I don't
Yeah,
care if
and your score increases every time. And the score is F. So basically it changes 2 every time, then 3, then 4 each time you get. And that applies to the function, the apple function, where you divide it by the speed. That y coordinate divided by the speed. So it'll always go, and then the reason why we have all these different turtles is to prevent lag, and it's a pretty useful method that Gavin found, so props to Gavin for doing that. And because of this, we're able to run this pretty smoothly. And so basically, these two lines of code, they're really important. Basically, if the fruits touch the x coordinate that of the bottom of your basket, it disappears and it becomes a score. Okay, Gavin, do you want to say something?
No, it's fruits, not score.
Okay, fine, fruits. But I'm warning you, this is very hard. And don't tell me why, because Gavin made this, not me. To be honest, I wanted this to be a score, but it's fruits. So anyways, let's run it without further ado. Gavin, can you let me play it? Okay. Okay. This is the first speed. It's pretty chill if you ask me. Yep, pretty chill. But after you get like some fruits, it gets faster. Wait.
More like 15 fruits.
Yeah, 15 fruits. You're gonna have to wait a while, actually. Yeah, Gavin torqued the code a little, so. Okay. Okay, okay. So here's a tip. If you're playing this game, use A and D cooperative, because you'll make it double without like spamming the left or right key, so it's better. So let's try it again. Let's try to get to the faster part. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, oranges pop out of nowhere, and they're super fast. They're designed to make you fail.
Please stop giving government secrets.
Yeah, sure, Gavin. Ooh! Ooh. Alright, I think that's it. It's pretty hard, but nonetheless, it's pretty fun to do. So that's our project.
I took over.
Bye.
Now.
Gavin, do you want to say something?
Yeah.